Hey, Chris Cap here with Luker & Co. I'm back in Debary touring some townhomes in Debary, which is just over the St. Johns River from Sanford. This community is called Rivington, and it's built by Ryan Homes. They're in the process of constructing 36 buildings that'll have 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. The Homeowners Association here is $113 a month with the CDD Community Development District fee of about $1,600 added onto your tax bill. With these fees, you'll get access to the pool and cabana areas, multiple playgrounds for the kiddos, 10 miles of walking paths, landscaping and irrigation costs, budget for roof replacement and exterior home repairs, which will help keep those crazy high insurance premiums down, and exterior pest control services. The models they have available are priced around $320,000, which would put your monthly payment around $2,700 a month if you only put the minimum down payment, which is 3.5% down with FHA. I'm pretty sure most of the houses around here are going for that amount in rent. Ryan Homes is offering $20,000 in financial incentives if you work with their lender. The construction and choices with this builder are wonderful, with solid surface countertops, stainless appliances, 42-inch cabinets, 5.25-inch baseboards, LED lights throughout, brick paver driveway. These townhomes are just magnificent. Stay tuned and come with me as we go on this private tour. So there's the Allegro featured by Ryan Homes here in Debary. Great pricing here, and the location here is just next to the SunRail station and the new downtown Debary area, which is sure to cause this area to increase in value. You need to get in the door now while it's still touchable. I mean, the purchase of this house is what you would be spending on rent here, and it's yours, and you're paying your mortgage, not someone else's. Thanks for joining me today. Please reach out if you like a private tour of this gorgeous home. And if you think of anything else real estate, don't forget, call Chris Cap. See ya.